Hello boss, these types of soldering iron are also good. The reason why they are good is because they are like with this, it's a heat shield that avoid your hand to contact with high temperature. Then they have like a removable tips. You can replace these soldering tips, and then it comes with 5 soldering tips that you can replace according to the work you are going to do. Either soldering assemblies, see it comes with 5 soldering tips, and then if you go inside of it, you will find that it is equipped with a temperature control board. As you see, it have a temperature adjusting knobs, and then they are 60 watt 220 volt. It can be with either American standard plug or EU standard. As you see me here, I have EU standard plug. So if you are a maker or if you are a repair engineer, you can rely on this soldering iron. Guys, consider subscribe on this channel for more coming video on component description. Ciao, bye.